Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I welcome you back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a part of your video using Inshot video editor on mobile device. Okay, it's very easy and it's not going to take up to 5 minutes. Alright, it's very easy. So without wasting your time, let's go straight into the video. Alright, so let's click on the Inshot application icon. Alright, when you open it, it's gonna take you to this interface, very clear and simple interface. Okay, so because we're going to be editing a video, you click on video. Now it will take you to your gallery, your phone gallery, to choose the video that you want to edit. So let me choose this particular one. Click on it, it will be check marked, then click on this place to confirm. Now the video has been imported here. Alright, so we are going to blur the plate number of this vehicle. Let's play the video and see where the plate number is. Alright, we are going to blur the plate number at the back of this moving vehicle. Alright, so how do we do that? So to do that, you click on this sticker. Okay, click on sticker, then click on detail, then click on blur. Okay, this is the blur here. Alright, then this place, this handler, you can drag it to the end to increase the thickness of the blur. Just drag it. If you move it left side, you are decreasing it. Okay, then you can drag it to the right side to make it thicker. Okay, this one as well, you see, this one, if you drag it to the left, you are also exposing it, but when you drag it to the end, you cover it completely. All right, so this side, this place, this rectangular sign is the shape of the blur. Okay, the blur, this is the shape. You can choose circle one, you can choose this love sign or this or that, but we are going to use the rectangular sign here. Okay, so let me choose that one. All right, so now you have to resize the blur. Okay, you have to resize it to fit the place you want to cover up. All right, so since we're going to cover up the plate number, let me resize it like this. Okay, all right, so you move it. So when you're done, just click on this place. Now you drag it, you drag the blur icon to cover up the whole video. Okay, yeah, you drag it to cover up the whole video, the length of the whole video. Okay, all right. Okay, then let's get the vehicle to move so we can cover up the plate number. Okay, be careful. So look at the plate number here, right here. I now drag it to cover the plate number. Now you're gonna see something now. If you just leave it like this, when you are done, okay, if you just leave it like this and click OK, once the vehicle is moving, it will get to a point when the blur cannot be able to cover up the plate number anymore. Okay, because it's not moving, it's just static, it's just one place, it's not moving with the vehicle. Okay, so let's play the video and see what I mean. As you can see, you have exposed the plate number again. It moved out of the blurred part. So how do we get the blurred area to move with the vehicle? As the vehicle is moving, it keeps moving with the vehicle to cover up the plate number. How do we do that? We will do that by making use of what we call keyframe. Okay, we use keyframe to put it in motion so you can move alongside the vehicle. So how do we use the keyframe? You do that by clicking on the blur icon again. All right, So when you cover the plate number, all right, when you cover it properly, then you click this plus sign here, this plus sign, okay, you click on it to add a keyframe. Now we have added a keyframe. So when you play the video, as the vehicle is moving, if the blur part is about to move out of the proper place, if it's about to uncover the plate number, you pause it and drag it to cover the plate number again. Okay, so let's play the video and see. All right, you see, now you click on the icon again to highlight the blur, then you will now drag it to cover the plate number. Okay, you drag it to cover the plate number properly, then you play it again, then you keep dragging it as the vehicle is moving. The more you drag it, the keyframes will be added to the blur icon automatically. Okay, so you play it again, then click on it and you drag it. You keep doing this until you're done with the whole thing. Okay, all right, I think we have gotten to the end. Now let's see. As you can see, the plate number is covered. Okay, let's play it again and see. Confirm. All right, you see how we blurred the plate number easily. All right, very, very easy. So when you are done, you click on this. Okay, now we are done. The video is ready. Let's play the final part of it. All right, the plate number is properly blurred. Okay, so let's export our video. All right, click export. Yeah, we have exported the video. All right, so let's go and check it out and see what we have done. This is the video right here. Let's play it. As you can see, we properly blurred the plate number. So guys, this is how to blur a part of your video using Inshot on mobile device. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.